I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials. You must be signed into the Google account that holds the backup and have device backup enabled. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug in the charger so the process won't interrupt. Make sure battery stays above 50%. If your phone was carrier locked or used dual SIM, insert the original SIM for verification. Now power on the phone and proceed to the Android Setup wizard to start the restore. When you reach the screen asking to copy apps and data, select your Google account and then choose the relevant backup by date and device model. This ensures you restore the right snapshot. Tap Restore to begin bringing back apps, Google settings, contacts, messages, and call history. Some app data restores after app installation. Make sure to keep the screen unlocked and stay on Wi-Fi while downloads complete. If prompted for account verification, enter your password to re-authenticate. After the main restore finishes, you'll sign into individual apps and regrant permissions so features work properly. This step restores functionality like notifications and camera access. Make sure account sync is on for contacts, calendar, and drive. Reinstall any missing apps from Play Store if needed. If something goes wrong, restore stalls, apps fail, or backup not found, reboot the phone, reconnect to Wi-Fi, then retry the restore or reselect a different dated backup. If necessary, temporarily disable VPNs that may block Google services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.